Hi everyone, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here, your automotive advisor at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. Congratulations, I'm excited. I can't wait to hear how you guys put this to the test. Now I'm going to set you guys up for success. So when you guys get to the dealership and you guys drive off the lot, all of your vehicle settings are set the way you want, so all you have to do is show it off, all right? You guys have any questions, drop them down in the comments. If you or anyone else is in the market too as well, here's my number. Give me a call. I'll treat you guys like family, okay? I'll take good care of you guys. Now let's go set you up for success with your vehicle settings now, all right? All right, so here we are, right inside the Honda Civic Hatch Sport. We have the home menu at the moment, as you guys can see from here, right? We'll just hit home so you can see. We're gonna go to settings. Let's select that. Then we're gonna come down to vehicle. Now, if you can't select this because it's faded out, it's because you're driving. The car has to be in park. So pull over for safety and let's get this going, okay? Now, the very first thing that's gonna pop up is gonna be your tire pressure monitoring system calibration. You have an indirect tire pressure light that's gonna come on, telling you to get out there and double check it. Now, once you double check it, everything where it needs to be at, or after you adjust it, you can hit calibrate. It's gonna reset it from there, all right? It's that easy. Next one we're gonna have is your driver's assist system setup. That's for your Honda sensing features, all right? Let's select that. We're gonna start from the top and work our way down. Now keep in mind, there's no right or wrong answer. It's really just kind of personalize the vehicle settings to your particular likes and wants, all right? You got your forward collision warning distance. Now as you're driving down the road, we got a sensor right up here in the windshield, all right? It's gonna be sensing when you get about to hit an object or car or pedestrian, stuff like that. And a certain distance is going to warn you. This is us selecting the distance when you want the 3-stage for it to warn you and then stop you, stuff like that. American Honda has it set to normal, so I'm going to leave it to normal, okay? I'm going to hit the back button. Next thing we're going to have is your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, forward vehicle detection beep. Right now that's off. So let's say if I move this tripod over here, sorry for the motion sickness, right? You got your adaptive cruise control buttons right here. And right up there, you can see us selecting the distance. Now, once it finds a car, automatically it's going to display a white car above those lines right there for you. So you're always going to have that visual confirmation, all right? This is simply saying, hey, do you want an audible confirmation saying, hey, I found a car? I'm going to say, yeah, let's turn it on. So when we're going on a test drive, everyone knows what's kind of going on with everything it has to offer, right? So let's say you're going 35, the car in front of you is going 32. Found a car, is going to beep to let you know that you're slowing down. You have your lane keeping assist beep. So every time you go out of your lane with the lane keeping assist on between 45 and 90 miles an hour, it's going to give you a nice little audible noise. Let's turn that on. There's a little delay, just do a random tap, makes it a little quicker. Now you have your road departure mitigation setting. This is us changing the sensitivity or changing it from whatever to warning only for your road departure. So when you go off the road, stuff like that. I'm gonna keep it on normal. If you don't want it to bring you back onto the road, just set it to warning only. That's everything underneath your vehicle, driver's assist system setup. Now we're gonna go to your meter setup. We're gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom. Adjustable outside temperature gauge. You guys can fine tune this within 5 degrees, swing either way. All right. You got your trip A and trip B. So you can choose when you want that to automatically reset or keep it on the default setting. Trip B is going to be the same exact thing, all right? We're gonna come down here to adjust alarm volume. This would be like your turning indicator, stuff like that. When you hit the panic button, when you hit the unlock, how loud those are going to be. So if you're hard of hearing, boom, let's turn it up. You got your fuel efficiency backlight. This is simply on or off. I'm gonna move the tripod one more time. Hopefully I can get it back in place. So with your fuel efficiency backlight, it's gonna be these white lights right up there, okay? One on each side. That's gonna be simply changes colors when you're being fuel efficient. So when you're being fuel efficient, it goes from white to green, and then when you're not, it goes green to white. It's a visual coaching, all right? So let's turn that on. We're gonna select it, save. Let's scroll down. You got your new messages, notifications. So when I got my phone paired, stuff like that, I get a new text message, stuff, it'll notify me. You got your speed and distance. If you need to change it from miles per hour to the next, you may. And then we get your tachometer right here. Let's move this tripod one more time. Right up here on the driver's interface, you got your tachometer up top. I'm gonna shut this off while you guys are looking over here so you can see what's changing. And save. There you go. So if you don't want all that on there, you want it kind of clean look, you may. But I'm gonna turn that right back on. And there we go. Perfect. So now that's everything underneath meter setup. We're gonna go to your keyless access setup next, all right? Right here. Remote start. For some reason on God's green earth, if you want to shut off, you may, so you cannot accidentally use it for any particular reason. But once again, to use remote start, you have to hit the lock button, then hold that button down for a few seconds, all right? We'll keep it on, just because I live in Iowa and it gets cold here. Now you have your door unlock mode. So you have the key fob in your purse, your jacket, your pocket, who knows what, and you walk up, put your hand in the handle. Which of these door options do you want to unlock? All right, is it the driver's side door or all doors? Now when you put your hand in the handle, there's going to be a delay, right? So let's see if you guys want a visual. You want the lights to flash? So when you put, like that kid or someone puts a hand in the handle, don't yank it on the door. I'm going to keep the flash on. Same thing right here, a delay. Do you want an audible noise? You want it to beep at you when the door unlocks? I'm going to say yes. All right, we're going to hit OK. So that's everything underneath keyless access setup. We're going to go to your lighting setup. And we're going to start from the top and work our way down. Interior light dimming time. If you're guessing, hey, you shut off the car, you shut the door in X amount of time, the light's going to turn off, you're right. That's a good guess. You can change the time on that. I say the default works for me. Headlights, I can see you guys may want to change this depending on when you guys get home or you guys get to work, okay, and where you guys park. So let's say for us, let's say if I'm parking in the garage every night because I don't go out much, I live a boring life, perfect, 15 seconds is fine for me. Now let's say, you know, you guys are out working late or you park, you know, from a good distance from the house, you want a little extra time just to see, hey, 30 seconds is great, you know, boom. You have auto light sensitivity. Just simply when you have your auto headlights on between day and night, transparency levels, when it's automatically going to come on. Then you can change the brightness of your interior illumination. So when your lights go from, we have them auto and they come on, it changes the sensitivity on this interior. And then you got your auto lights with wipers on. Okay, so let's say if I have my headlights on auto, right? Got to make sure it's on auto for this to work, and the wipers come on. I turn on my wipers, the headlights automatically come on. Now that's everything underneath lighting setup. We'll come down here to door and window setup. Start from the top once again and work our way down. Here we are, auto door lock. So I just got into the car, about to drive off to go show it off, you know. And when do you want your doors to lock? Is it going to be with speed? When you shift from park, or have that off and you have to hit the lock button? What works for you? Auto door unlock. Same thing but backwards when you want the doors to unlock, okay? Then we'll come down to key and remote. So you got your key fob, right? You got it in your hand, you hit the unlock button, right? Hit unlock once. Which of these options do you want? You want driver's side or all doors? Now, if you hit it twice, by default, automatically unlocks all doors. So with me sharing that with a lot of my customers, they decide, oh, you know, let's keep it the way it is. Keyless lock answer back. I'm assuming when you hit the buttons on the key fob, you want it to talk back to you, right? Keep it audible. Security relock timer. You guys are going to love this. So let's say you hit unlocked on the key fob, right? X amount of time that we can select here. If someone doesn't open up a door in that X amount of time, all doors lock. All right? Just in case if you get distracted or change your mind. We'll come down here. We got the walk away auto lock right there. It's off. I'm going to turn this on. Walk away auto lock. So if I walk away with the key fob, right? The car is off. I shut the door, walk away, no key fob in the car, 10 feet away, door is locked, okay? Only negative I can think about this is, let's say if I like to get in and out of my car when it's in the garage, I always put my keys on the hook because I'll forget. My wife yells at me, go find them, Chris. hey, I had to just go in. That's the only negative I can think about. But when you run in doing like going to work, running errands, I don't have to second guess, all right? Now when I walk away from this car, going to the dealership, I know it's all locked up. There we go. Now we're gonna scroll down. Next option is going to be maintenance. Oil life, stuff like that. You can reset it from between oil changes, other services that may come up. It's gonna be right here, okay? All right, we got a little more bonus stuff to talk about. Why not? Let's do some bonus. So let's say you're driving down at nighttime and this screen kind of bugs you, right? And you want to shut it completely off. You got this little tab that's gonna be right up here. Let's move this right by so you can see it. Right there, right? Click that down, hold it, boom, boom, boom. There it is. Hit home screen, it comes right back on for you, okay? You guys probably already know the basic controls for your climate, I'm assuming. You got your temperature, you got your fan speed right here. You got all this stuff, it's pretty easy, straightforward. Then you have your different modes right up here, okay? Let's talk about your radio. You got audio right here. Let's select it. We're jamming out. We got your source button right here. You can select your different options. Now let's talk about saving your favorite radio stations, okay? Let's say you found one that you like. All you have to do is click and hold, and then there we go. It saved that radio station for you, okay? And with FM radio, you have up to 12 stations. You can see that from right there. And with AM radio, you're only gonna have 6 options. It's gonna be the same exact way to save a radio station that you like. So as you see, we got 530 right here. Let's say 530 right there, why not? Boom, click and hold. That easy for you, okay? Now check out my other video if you guys are having a hard time pairing your phone or adding additional phone to be paired from there. And I also have things that talk about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Check those videos out. Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully it was very helpful. Answer those questions. Once again, if not, drop comments down below. You guys are in the market, here's my phone number. Give me a call, I'll take care of you guys, all right? Then also, don't forget to share with a friend or family that just bought the new car. Or for those who are in the market, you never know. You could have saved them some time, okay guys? Well, I appreciate you guys. Thank you again for watching. Thank you again for your support. Enjoy your day and see you at the next video.